let's get started. Gus, Combo, ready to fight? I'm game, and I'm ready too! That's who we're drawing tonight, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw Gus and Combo from Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
So we can play the game. It's great. Guess the name. Celebrate. Dance and shake. So don't be late for Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
Gus and Combo are co-hosts for everyone's favorite Nickelodeon show, Ryan's Mystery Playdate. Ryan's Mystery Playdate involves a special kid celebrity who goes through a few series of tasks and challenges in order to find out who his playdate is going to be. And with each task and challenge that he completes, he receives a special hint and sometimes maybe a special object called a, well, first he has to, well, first of all, he goes to this special machine called the Mystery Splasher, where he finds the hint, or a special hint-a-majig, and takes it to this device called the Guessatron. And this show is a great representation for that. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
It's a mystery. Who will it be? It's a mystery.
Alright,
Who will it
here's his next.
It's a mystery.
This is the next guy.
Who will it be?
Here we have Combo. We drew Gus first. Now we're drawing this guy.
It's a mystery.
I can't wait to see
Slasher, puzzle wall.
what new challenger play that Ryan's gonna play with.
Guess the name. Celebrate.
Hope it's gonna be Yo Gabba Gabba next,
Ryan's Mystery
or even Big Time Rush,
Who will it be? It's
or even special, or the special host from Chased by Dinosaurs himself.
a mystery.
You know Chased by Dinosaurs. I love that show. Here are the headgear. Here's the megaphone.
Challenges. Flash. Mystery box. Take the hint. Guess the name. Celebrate. Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
Who will it be? It's a mystery. Who will it be? It's a mystery. Again.
You hear that, Alexa? Play it. You hear that, Alexa? Play it again.
It's a mystery. Who will it be? It's a mystery.
Ryan,
Who will it be? It's a mystery.
if you're hearing this,
Who will it be?
I am a fan of your show. Hopefully I'll get the chance to see you in action again. You guys are what they call
Challenges. Slasher.
You are what they call
puzzle
heroes.
wall. There's a mystery box that's got hints for all. So we can play the game. It's great. Guess the name. Celebrate. Dance and shake. So don't be late for Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
Alright, that takes care of that.
It's a
now one last thing to draw, and that's the special studio that they often are recorded in.
Challenge it! Flash it! Mystery box! Take the hints! Guess the name! Celebrate! Ryan's Mystery Playdate!
Who will it be? It's a mystery. Who will it be?
Can't wait to see who's it gonna be next.
Mystery. Playdate.
Even I want to see it for ourselves. Anyhow, there he is. There they are. That's how you draw Gus and Combo from Ryan's Mystery Playdate. I hope we get to see them again real soon. That show is never going to stop evolving. And I'm really proud to say farewell and good night. The next episode starts in 3 minutes. You ready? Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.